Why can't astronauts hiccup in space? In space without gravity. If you keep hiccups, the air in your stomach will be like a bubble. From the pilot's mouth flew out into the air. There's also the food you've eaten and the waste in your stomach. All will fly out of the astronaut's mouth. Also, astronauts are not allowed to fart in space. Because while farting contains flammable gas. When these gases gather to a certain concentration, they will cause fire and explosion. Especially in a closed environment like a space capsule, it is very explosive. For safety's sake, astronauts should not hiccup.